Welcome back to the Tidy Style YouTube channel where luxury meets organization. Today we're diving deep into the art of luxury bathroom organization. Follow along as we unveil the 6 essential steps from our proven process that will transform your bathroom into a haven of tranquility and elegance. Step 1. Clear the entire space. Make sure you do not skip this important step. If you clear one cabinet but not the other, you will get stuck. Clearing the entire space must happen for the rest of the steps to work properly. Step 2 in our Tidy Style process is to categorize. Make sure you place all like with like. For example, all hair product stays together, all makeup stays together, etc. Step 3 is to clean. Clean the drawers, the cabinets, the bins you are using, maybe bins you might be reusing. The goal here is to start with a clean slate. We always want to make sure that what we're going back to is going to be clean and beautiful. Step 4, the edit. Identify items you no longer use or need. Dispose of any expired products and donate unused ones. Decluttering is an important step to creating a luxury oasis. Step 5, contain. Contain the items that need to be accessed the most in the prime real estate of the space. This may be a turntable or other open containment that is easy to reach. Continue containing all commonly accessed items in prime real estate until everything is contained. Then move on to the items that don't need to be accessed as much. Make sure to keep all like with like and create zones doing just the same. Turntables are a great option for under-the-sink storage. They make it easy to reach and easy to access things like lotions, skincare, makeup, basically anything you might need daily access to. Moving on to your final steps. Most likely there will be some miscellaneous items that you may want to keep in the space. However, if you can find a new home for those miscellaneous items, that is great. But if not, create a miscellaneous category. If you don't need frequent access, then this can be placed up high. And of course, as with any organization, you don't want to forget to label. Make sure you label everything. Keep in mind your overall aesthetic when choosing a label color, font, etc. Lastly, maintain the luxurious ambiance you've created. Regularly clean and organize your bathroom to make sure it stays a haven of tranquility. And there you have it, our 6 proven steps for luxury bathroom organization. With Tidy Style's process, your bathroom can be a sanctuary of elegance and functionality. If you found these helpful, don't forget to give us a a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for organization inspiration. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, stay tidy and stylish.